looks just like a pirate ship over here. Are we coming on into Orlando?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are we gonna land soon? Get the boats down there. I can see some boats in the water.
There's a lot of water.
Yeah. Are these lakes that we're looking at?
Yeah. Maybe some might be pools.
Some could be pools.
And some could be ponds.
Ponds, yeah.
There is a lot of water.
Ooh, here we go. Resort. Okay, so we're here at Beach Club in our room 4687. I think it's backwards. And our door won't open. We've tried our phones. We've tried all of our magic bands. They called, they tried to reset it. They're sending someone up. It's 10 o'clock at night. The pool closes at 11. So we're a little bummed. Not a good way to start off.
To Orlando, Florida.
We're just waiting. We're just waiting for someone to come down this hallway and rescue us. Reset our room. Hopefully we can get drinks and go to the pool. So we're here at the Beach Club Resort. We got into our room. Bell Services saved us. These are what the rooms looks like. We have one in the bathroom. Beautiful. It looks a lot like the Yacht Club Resort. However, the styling to me kind of looks more like the Grand Floridian. And we did get a water view. We've got an itty bitty little balcony. We should have said we wanted the big balcony, but look, we're right here. And we should be able to see some fireworks. So that'll be awesome. So here we are on the balcony. We can see Stormalong Bay. You can't see the pirate ship, but you can see Swan and Dolphin over there. So this is a pretty awesome view. All right, we're gonna get changed and get down there. So we've got a little fridge in here. We've got some food we're actually gonna put in there. We had Chipotle at the airport, it was very yummy. This is a very interesting table. It's, gosh, I'd say that's some kind of marble or quartz, but it's a deep brown. I haven't seen that before. It's very pretty. We've got drawers. Of course, we've got our big screen. And it is a connecting room. And we did see people go in there. So hopefully we're not too loud for them. They're not too loud for us. Pretty seashell decor. But I'm really excited about this. I'm gonna go out here one more time. Okay, so the bathroom freed up. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like. Look at these gorgeous tiles. I would have this at my house. This is pretty. And it looks like we've got conditioner and shampoo in here. Everybody always wants to know what the status of the products is. So this particular room does not have the pumps. I think most of the Monorail and Epcot area deluxes do not have the pumps. So it's a small bathroom, but it's gorgeous. And just a side note, these are the tiles in here. I really like these. Refillable mugs. There's Kate May. It's all cleaned up. Some pretty little beach outfits. Pretty umbrellas. See those? Heading back to pick up my crew. See if anybody else wants to fill up their refillable mugs. Hopefully they've got our door fixed by then. We can go to bed and get up and rope drop. It's a holiday weekend. didn't really realize that we were booking on a holiday weekend when we did this. Look at this cute little sandcastle. So it's gonna be busy. And then over here, there's live music. You can hear it starting. Gotta do our favorite thing and watch a video. We didn't really have to check in, but we found it anyway. So here is this beach club lobby. Very pretty. Got nice bright colors, beautiful chandelier.
No caffeine.
Everybody's excited about their new cup. There's a pirate ship. You can see Swan and Dolphin over there. We are taking a walk this morning. See, there's Swan from the beach club to Hollywood Studios. We do not have fast passes to Slinky Dog Dash, so we're gonna see if we can get on. We're gonna time ourselves out. I am not gonna make you walk with us the whole way over there, but we're gonna let you know how long it takes us. So it's 7:24 right now. We started at about 7:23. I'll let you know when we get there how long it took us to walk over, and then if we get on Slinky Dog Dash. Here's the gondolas. Just found out recently that they have theming. There's one, Beauty and the Beast. I think I see Toy Story up ahead, and a Princess and the Frog. Not running yet, but ready to go. All right, we got in. It's 7:47. Looking for a AP entrance. I don't see one, so we're just gonna go all the way over here. See how these bands work. So we are just checking out the boardwalk, walking over from the beach club at night. It's really fun. There's barely anyone here. We're out here on the boardwalk, and some pretty fireworks came up. Let's see if we can get them again. Probably not. It won't happen. So it is 7 a.m. I just woke up and I'm out on our little Juliet balcony at Beach Club. You can see our view is a little bit obstructed by trees this way. You can't really see the other side of Boardwalk or Epcot really. We did take a walk down along Boardwalk yesterday, and we were able to see the fireworks from the boardwalk, and it was just, there's a little exciting buzz in the air. I'm going to show you how big this balcony is. I'm standing on it. It's like about the size of one person. Let me turn my camera around. Alright, so I'm sitting here having my coffee. I'm on this little Juliet balcony. You can see it's just big enough for me. Not very big for anything else. And there are some bigger balconies over on the other side. I don't know if you can see that. See over there, they have full balconies over there. And I put the request in to have a waterfront view late, so I didn't say whether we wanted a full balcony or not. There, I guess there's a drop-down list and you can put that, and I didn't. But still, this is nice, and I'm enjoying it. We're on the 4th floor, room 4687. I wanted to show you, I don't know if you can see the, behind those trees there, the little, it looks almost like a log sticking up. That's part of the pirate ship. And I'll show you this later, but it comes down and it empties out down behind that tree. That's the slide. Here's like a little whirlpool area. You go over there, there's a bridge and a pool. To the right, that's just another part of that pool. To the left, there's a lazy river. It's a very slow, lazy river. And then back past that on the other side is the sand bottom pool. So we'll take you down there today and show you what that looks like up close. We also have a really neat view here of the Dolphin Hotel. You can kind of see the Swan. We went in and looked at the Dolphin on a different trip, and it's got a really neat vibe in there. It's kind of like, it gives me a Las Vegas-y vibe. So if you ever get a chance to go check it out or stay there, I think it'd be a really great option. You're right here in the same area where you could walk to Hollywood Studios or Epcot. It's a little closer to Hollywood Studios, but it would definitely be a great option to stay there if you want to get in this Epcot Resorts area. Got a little duck taking her morning swim. It's going behind the tree there. A little better view of the dolphin. Kind of neat how you can see that. Looks like a big fish. It doesn't actually look like a dolphin to me, but the name of the hotel is Dolphin. Check out this bunny action down here. We got two little bunnies giving each other a face-off. Wonder what's gonna happen. I wonder if they're late for a very important date. I've never seen bunny rabbits stay still for that long. I'm cracking up. We've got our duckies over here still. Just taking their morning swim. One's down here walking. Oh, the bunnies are still doing the face-off. They're not gonna move. Like scared each other. Oh, there goes one flinching. We got a squirrel running up here. Get any closer to these bunnies. This is hilarious. Oh, a bunny fight. Wow. I've been out here for a good half an hour and the ducks are still enjoying their swim. Cracking up. One's way over there. Shipwreck slide. It's called the Flying Jib slide. There's part of the pool. Ducks are out still. So we get to the Flying Jib slide exit right there. That's where you come out. So you actually go out and you walk across the walkway. You go stand in line. And you can see the top part of the slide there. And right here is Beaches and Cream. We're not eating there this trip, but we have eaten there before. There's a walk-up bar. You can get all of these items. And then you can actually go in. These are all the items you can get if you eat inside, and reservations are definitely recommended because it is a small space in there. I don't know if you can see. But it's a fun little getaway. Even the bathroom tiles are themed. Here is Ship Shape Massage Salon Fitness. There's some treadmills in there and you can get some spa treatments done. Look at these cute little ice cream cone tables right here outside of Beaches and Cream. Here's this side of the pool. And there's something really neat on top over there. I don't know if you can see that sticking up at you. There's chairs and there's like an upper deck. You can hang out up there. Here's another view of the pool from here. So as you can see, Stormalong Bay goes this whole way I've been walking. Pretty big. Here's a great morning view of the sand bottom pool. The kids love to gather up there on the sandbar with their Hurricane Hannah's buckets and dig in the sand. This is what it looks like in the morning before all the kids are out. May, people are having breakfast. You might be able to get a glimpse of Minnie in her beach attire. And, oh, there's Goofy right there. His beach attire. See if we can swing along here and get him. Here's Goofy. Earlier we saw Daisy. Let's see, there's Johnny. People are just enjoying their breakfast. There's Daisy back there. See if we can get Daisy. There's Daisy. I don't see Minnie. Getting the breakfast buffet. Way back in the distance, there's Minnie in her cute beach attire. This is what it looks like during the day once everybody's here and all the kids are playing on the sandbar. Alright, so I am taking one of the many bridges up across at Stormalong Bay. Hurricane Hannah's over there. My family's over there at that pirate ship. I'm going to take you over there. Here we are again, bridge number 2. Lots of little foot bridges you have to go on. There's a sun deck. I think that looks really fun to hang out on. Here we go up bridge number 3 to get over there. I think I'm doing this right. Actually, I don't know if I am. Yeah, this is one way to do it. I'm going to walk all the way around and get to the slide. There's that. Here's where you land on the flying jib slide. Actually walk out and go across the walkway to get over to the slide entrance. And they checked our magic bands. We actually got these special extra wristbands to prove that we are beach club guests so that we can use this awesome slide and the Stormalong Bay pool. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna look for my family. They're sitting over here. And it looks just like a pirate ship over here. Take it along the edge. See that wheel? Here I am on the edge of the pirate ship. See the boardwalk. Then you got this little wheel here. You can be the one steering. There's a pirate ship and the stairs, and you go up. Here's the start of the slide. Alright, so we're going up the big staircase up the flying jib slide. Want to get this. There's some screaming back there. Somebody's excited. See how neat this ship is up close? Got some barnacles on the anchor here. Looks so realistic and detailed. Got one of these very thin staircases here. Have to be careful. So here's the view from the flying jib slide.
You can show me.
There's some more views.
Show me, yes.
This is the slide right here. At the end of the pirate ship, the sun deck.